Hi, I'm Dana with VIP Home Link. I'm going to take a few minutes to go over the VIP Home app with you, do a short demo. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out afterwards. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so we can get started with this demo. So what's going to happen is you're going to go to the App Store or Google Play, download the VIP Home app. You will be given a special referral code that will be sent to you via email after this video. And you'll put in some information, email, password, name, accept terms and conditions, and go ahead and register into the app, which will get you started going into our quick setup. First off, we're going to learn what type of homeowner you are and what type of experience you have being a homeowner. I'm going to ask you, where are your interests? Maybe it's all of them, maybe it's two of them, but personalize it as much as you can to your home and what you like. We are going to then jump in and find your home. So you'll put on your home address. There's a nice drop-down menu feature there. We find your home, we solidify if it's a single family, townhome, condo, or other, which will get you started on your property's features. You're going to go ahead and click them, what you have, what you don't have, and head into the next screen where you will be going and creating your home profile. Wonderful, we found the house. We're going to take a quick tour of the app. So this is a way where your customers are able to really learn how to navigate within the app and what everything means. Reminders and recommendations, our HomeLog, vipTips, and our menu and how to navigate around the app. So now it's bringing everything together to create your home hub. We're going to start off first with the weather. Our weather notifications are going to be something that comes a few days ahead of time to really prepare the homeowner on staying safe in their home and making sure that their home does not get any undue damage due to weather events. We go into our home fitness index here, which this is collected information from the onboarding process that then you can increase your HFI. The more you do in your home to maintain it, the higher that home fitness index would be. So it's really a custom metric that reflects the overall safety and fitness of your home. Moving on to your value uplift, it looks like this home has done some major work and really increased the overall value of their home. So it's how much a homeowner has added to the home by taking better care of it. Maybe they just put on a whole new roof. Maybe they got a new hot water heater, etc. So, and this information is also being pulled from Zillow. In the middle here is an area of where you can customize for your company. So if you have a partner and maybe a device or an offering within your company that you want to highlight, this is the perfect real estate in the VIP Home app to do that. Moving down, you first come to your reminders. So you're really making it easy for homeowners to stay up to date on important home maintenance and seasonal and safety checks around their home. And these are timely reminders. So I'm going to go ahead and click done because I cleaned out my exhaust fan and I'd like to get another one. Or you could be good for the day, but just to show you another one, which is super important on those cold nights or if you're leaving your house and going out of town. These are ways for homeowners to stay ahead of maybe a bad situation from coming in. Our recommendations are something that people should have in their home, but some people don't. So we do recommend a boatload of different items here. And within the recommendations, we are telling people what they are and why they need them in the home, along with a buy it now feature. So you can choose which item suits you and your home the best, and you can go ahead and purchase that straight in from the app, which is a great feature to have that seamless experience. More ways to learn and explore are through our vipTips that you can read about, which we have a vast library with all of our partners that we interview over the phone, do podcasts, which are then whittled down into blogs, emails, digestible tips, even timely push notifications. So our library is enormous. I will take you there now. Some of our partners include the NFPA, FEMA, Orkin, Water Quality Association. So you understand that we're getting this information from trusted sources. We are not scouring Google. Lots of fantastic information, categories to highlight your company, even if you wanted to be interviewed, is another way to customize. Going along with the customization of the app, I'm going to bring you back to the Home Hub. Your colors will show throughout the design, the buttons, the bottom left logo, as well as the last place that you can customize would be during the setup of asking property features. If there's something that your company would like to gather from that, then that would be a way to do that and ask a question there. We'll come to our HomeLog, which think of it as a Carfax for the home. It's really a HomeLog that keeps track of all of your home activities, including any notes, photos, attachments, anything in one place, improvements you've made on the home, maintenance tasks that you've completed, notifications, and you can also create your own log entry as well. So that is a quick overview of the app. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy to run over any questions that you may have along the way. Like I said, you guys will be getting a separate email with a referral code for you guys to check out the app yourself. And then we'd be happy to get back, reconvene, and discuss further. So thanks for your time and look forward to connecting. Take care.